what to do when you have injured in a fall. Well, here to give us some tips on making sure you are taken care of is Ken and Megan Gerber of Gerber Injury Law. How you two doing?
Good. How are you, Brad?
Good to see you.
You know, when we see the commercials on TV and we think of accidents, we think of that type of injury, and we kind of like forget about maybe calling a lawyer for a fall. But Ken, I love, we were talking about this before you came on, is that the reason why we don't call is because we're embarrassed. So help us out when we have these type of injuries.
Yeah, it's one of those cases where there's a lot of embarrassment surrounding when people fall. You know, they're walking through a store, a parking lot, they're not thinking about anything. Next thing they know, they're on the ground, they're on the floor, and they're hurt. And it becomes a question of what caused it? How long was that situation there? Was it something that could have been prevented? And it's really something that people need to act on fairly quickly, too.
Yeah, I think one thing people also get scared if they are going to be kind of like taken care of. Are they going to be believed? Because we hear about a lot of people trying to do the scans with that. But when you are seriously hurt for real, that's when you guys step in. But there's some things you need to do before you actually get a hold of you, right?
Without a doubt. And they need to do it right away. They need to alert management. They've got to get an incident report done. So that way there's documentation, there's evidence that it actually did happen. The other thing is a lot of times there's surveillance footage. And that surveillance footage doesn't last forever. Stores, businesses will sometimes record over it. So it's something we have to get involved in fairly quickly to make sure that it's preserved so that we can prove later on what actually happened.
Yeah, I think one thing we do is, I mean, I've fallen in places and I'm like, no, I'm okay, I'm all right. But then a couple of days later, I'm kind of hurting, especially as I get older in age. So you're saying, don't go, you're okay, have them get checked out.
There's a lot of embarrassment and people don't feel like they want attention drawn to themselves. They really need to do something right away.
Yeah. Now, we know that maybe they do want to sell a little bit, but it's not enough. That's where you guys come in to say, no, listen, you got to make sure there's other things taken care of, long-term medical things, you know, that might happen to you.
There are oftentimes very serious injuries that happen with falls. I mean, there's knee injuries, shoulder injuries, there's broken wrists, there's sometimes surgery that's needed. So, yeah, it's something that we want these stores, these businesses to think ahead and make sure they've got a safe premises for people to go into.
Yeah, and I got to say this, and you tell me if I'm correct, but sometimes they'll go, oh, you know, we'll give you, we'll give you a shake for free or something like that. Is that kind of like saying that you settled because you taken that free item, kind of?
You've got to be careful because that can be perceived that way if there's some type of an agreement. So you really want to be careful with that.
Yeah, that's why they come see you. I like it.
Yeah.
All right, I want to switch gears to the podcast.
Yep.
That is going strong and great and fun that people can come listen to you too. Actually, it's kind of neat that you two are married, but when you're on the podcast, I feel like there's two different sides of the Gerbers.
Right, we get into it. We decide, what do we want to talk about today? And then we get into it. He has his side of thinking, and I have my side. And so they get to kind of get into our brains, which is fun but scary.
Yeah, and it's a nice little change because it's not always about law stuff you guys talk about, but you guys bring it around to a little bit of helping people out, which is really nice. And with that said, you're helping out those student drivers, especially this time of year as we're starting to see more and more get on the road as we move to summer. So you guys got a great scholarship happening. Yeah,
we have the Defensive Driving Scholarship, and unfortunately we created it because of a friend. Her son passed away, unfortunately, in a car accident. So it was a way of us giving back and also making sure that our roads are safer. So if you go to our website, we do have a link where you can apply for it. It's absolutely free. We're giving away 12. We've already given away 3 this year. And so we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 9 more to give away. And all you have to do is tell us why you feel you deserve it, because we really want to give it to families that can't afford it. And it's a comprehensive program at Driving MBA, and they're going to go over everything you could possibly need to know about keeping your kids safe.
I like it. There it is. So I love that you guys give back to the community and the tips that you give us. So thank you very much. Information's on the screen on how you can get a hold of Gerber Injury Law, or you can head over to our website, the cw7az.com. Perfect. That's great.
Great.
You guys, another day. We did it.
Thank you.
So